Hi, it's Dee from SimplyDeeBeauty. Today's video is going to be a kind of a haul unboxing video for you guys. I recently got a few boxes. Some of them are orders and other boxes are things that are sent to me for me to try. So I want to share that with you because it's always fun to open packages because I enjoy doing them, but I don't know if that is something that you enjoy. So let me know in the comments below if that's something you want to see more of in the future. The first one I want to share came from Wish Company, and this is something that they sent to me to try, but let me open it up. Okay, so they sent me a Probiome Balance Cream, 10% off. 10% of propolis extract, fermented honey, and probiome complex. I love honey, anything that has to do with bees and their products, because I know they're amazing. And I'm trying to read the lettering because it's a little bit hard to read. It looks like it's Korean lettering. It says it is a moisturizing cream that includes propolis extract obtained from the Auvergne volcanic region. Oh, Auvergne. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm sorry. Volcanic region in France, and the probiome complex. Its abundant moisture helps protect your skin from drying and contains fermented moisturizing ingredients, allowing you to maintain healthy and balanced skin condition. Key ingredients are lactobacillus ferment lysate, propolis extract, probiome complex, and squalane. Great. The packaging is really pretty. I like it. It's 12 months shelf life, and let's see what it smells like. It has a scent to it, but it just reminds me of the way it looks and the way it smells a little bit like royal jelly. I know it doesn't have royal jelly, but that's what it reminds me of. And it's very fluffy. I'm going to try some on the back of my hand. It's a very light texture. It's very, very faint, the scent. Let me apply in the back of my hand. And it does leave the skin really, really soft. So I'm excited to try this. I'm excited for receiving this. Thank you, WISHTREND, for sending me this to try. I am going to try it for a longer period of time and give you, and probably on my Instagram I'll do a post or a story on how well I liked it or not. I like to give products, especially skincare, at least 2 weeks, preferably a month, to really try it out and see if I like it. So that's the first thing I wanted to share. Now the second box here, I think it's also something to try. Oh, I think I know what it is. It's from DOSSIER. Yes, DOSSIER has sent me perfumes before, and this is the second one that they sent me. I could smell it from out here. It smells so good. I could tell you already that I like it. It's Ambery Saffron. Top notes: saffron, orange blossom. Middle notes: jasmine, plum, cedarwood. Base notes are oak moss, fir balsam, and amber. I think I remember now. It's inspired by the Maison Francis Kurkdjian Baccarat Rouge 540 Eau de Parfum. I haven't tried the Baccarat Rouge, so I cannot say if it's comparable or not, but from experience from the other one that I tried, that it was inspired by Lost Cherry, Tom Ford's Lost Cherry, and it smelled 99% exactly the same and had good lasting power. I do have to try this one. I just know it smells really good. So thank you, DOSSIER, for sending me this. Awesome. Very excited. Now let's go into the orders. This is from Chanel. I just know already without opening. I know it's Chanel, and I know it's gonna be a gorgeous box. I always place my Chanel orders with my friend Sean at Chanel, and his boxes are always beautiful and amazing. So this is what it looks like. So I am tempted to open it now to show you, but I do want to do a dedicated video on the unboxing of this box. And by the feel of it and the sound of it, there's more goodies in here because he always pampers me with goodies. So I'm going to put the link of that video at the end of this one so you guys could check it out once this one is over. So yeah, so excited. Can you tell I'm excited? I'm excited. Alright, let's go on to the next. I know what this is because I placed an order. Again, I have another friend, very good friend, really nice. They're both super nice guys. This one is Ramiro from Chantecaille, and I ordered the new sunscreen, the new Chantecaille sunscreen, and I know I ordered that, but he said he was going to send me a gift. So I am excited to see what it is. So let me open it up. So it is a Chantecaille order, but it does come from the Bluemercury store, as you can see. And let's open it. Oh, it's a beautiful box. Another beautiful box. Look how pretty that is. Isn't that gorgeous? Such a beautiful color. It's like light blue and then dark blue in the bottom. And it's Bluemercury. He always also sends me so many wonderful gifts. So it's open. Everything's all wrapped up. Ooh. So here it is. It's big. I thought it was going to be smaller. It's actually pretty big. This is the new Chantecaille C-Screen 30 Mineral Broad Spectrum Sunscreen Mist SPF 30. It is reef safe, non-nano sink or nano sink, water resistant, 80 minutes, family friendly formula, and supports wild aid. Isn't that beautiful? Such a pretty bottle. It's botanically infused with wild moss rose, ashwagandha root extract, organic orange water, organic aloe vera, organic bisabolol, organic white tea, organic rosemary extract, organic raspberry seed oil, organic coconut oil, and organic jojoba seed oil. It says it's a new generation of SPF. C-Screen 30 Mineral Broad Spectrum SPF 30 is reef safe sun protection for the entire family that uses pure mineral protection and 70% organic ingredients instead of chemicals. Because protecting our skin is essential, but so is protecting our oceans. Yes, yes. I agree 100%. It comes locked, and you just spin the top, and it opens up. Oh, it's very misty. It doesn't really have a scent. Let me just see how it does have, how well it sits on the skin. It doesn't have like that sunscreen scent. A little bit of the orange. It smells really good. Like, I hate that sunscreen smell, but this one doesn't smell like that. Ooh, thank you so much for sending me this for me. I really appreciate it. Now, there is a little bag. Well, I shouldn't say little because it's pretty big and it's pretty packed of goodies. And it's Chantecaille Wild Aid. Oh, it's jammed with samples. Oh, here it is what he said he was gonna gift me. It is a lipstick. It is a lip tint hydrating balm in the shade Calendula. I think that's how you pronounce it. Ooh, look how pretty. Perfect for summer. Let's swatch it on this hand. Oh, it's so pretty. Let me try it on the lips. It feels so good. Like butter. It's a beautiful color. Perfect for summer now. To go to the beach. I have my sunscreen and my lip balm. Thank you so much, Ramiro, for sending me. It's so wonderful. I love it. And now, I'm not gonna go through every sample because I'll be here forever. But just to show you all the samples he sent me. I have to open all of this, but a lot of samples. I love samples. So thank you so much for sending me this bag goodies and the sunscreen, and in a beautiful box, which I'm gonna keep because I keep all these beautiful boxes. I keep them for storage. So the last box I want to open, or so the last one I have here, this was an order. It's a huge box, but it's not a lot of, I don't remember ordering a lot of products, but there might be samples in here too. It's an order I got from Sisley-Paris. I do have another friend there. I did post about, I post about her on my Instagram because Sisley-Paris was having at least the boutique in Las Vegas was having an anniversary sale of, I believe it was 30% off. So I ordered a couple of things. I only ordered like 3 things with her. And she's really nice. She's really sweet. And she always gives me like everything I want plus samples. So I'm very excited to see what samples she gave me this time. Look how cute that is. Isn't that cute? And it comes with a ribbon. Very minimalistic. And I had it upside down. So this is the right side up. And it says Sisley-Paris on the cover. It's a beautiful box. See how it opens up? Like all these jungle animals. Really nice. And let's open this. Ooh, you see, I knew it. She also sent me so many samples, which I love about that. I love that about her, and about Sean and Ramiro too. They're all super nice. By the way, I'm gonna put their Insta. I don't know. Lian doesn't have an Instagram, at least not that I'm aware of, but I know Ramiro and Sean do, of course. So I'm gonna put their handles in the description box below, so you guys go check them out, follow them, and any orders, any questions, you could order them directly with them. They're super nice, super sweet. They're very knowledgeable and just really nice guys. So go check them out. So here is the box. Let me show you what I ordered and then the samples that I got, okay? I ordered the Fido Tint Ultra Eclat oil-free, long-lasting foundation. I haven't tried their foundations yet, so I was really excited. So I took advantage of the discount and ordered it. I'm gonna open it right now to show you, but let me just show you the box. And I also ordered a Fido Eye Twist waterproof and long-lasting eyeshadow in the shade Copper, and a Fido Lip Twist tinted balm in the shade Lychee. And I might as well just show you. I'm gonna open the boxes of the packaging of what I ordered. The foundation I got in the shade 0 because their range of foundations of shades is not that wide, and I was afraid. I think the second shade was a little bit yellow for me, at least in the pictures. So when I asked her if she thought 0 was gonna be a good shade for me, she said she thought I would be, because I'm pretty fair. So I got the shade 0 vanilla, 0 plus vanilla. And if you haven't seen, this is the one with a zebra cap. Very pretty. And now that I see it, I think it's a little bit too white. I don't know if you're supposed to shake it, but I'm gonna shake it. It looks pretty like pink in the bottle, but when I put it on my hand, not really. Yeah, maybe a little bit pink. But I think I'll be able to work it out, and it's very creamy, and it blends really nice with the skin. Can you see that I have foundation on? No, and look at that radiance. Oh, very nice. It just smells very fresh. Let me see the ingredients, if it has any fragrance. It has water and dimethicone, buckwheat seed extract, mallow flower extract, gardenia flora flower extract. It has fragrance towards so the second half. Geraniol, linalool, it does have, and citronol, it does have some fragrance, but I don't detect it. It just smells very clean. And let's open the twist and the balm. Okay, so here is the Fido Lip Twist in the shade Lychee. Look how cute that packaging is. It's very similar to the cap. Oh, it's a pretty color. I don't see any scent. I don't detect any. I don't smell any scent. So here in the bottom is the Lip Twist and Lychee. And you remember this is the one from Chantecaille. Because I was undecided between two colors, and then Leon suggested that I get this one because the other one was more pinky, and I think she was right. It's a beautiful color, like a brown nude, and it has some peach in it. So I'm very excited to try that. I will try it in a separate video if that is something that you are interested in. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll do a video on that, as well as the eye pencil in the shade Copper. It was very soft. My line is not straight, so I apologize for that, but it's not really, it does have, I don't know, the camera's gonna pick it up. It does have, it's like brown at first, but then you could see the copper, and it was very soft, very smooth. So that is very nice. So I am gonna try it in the future. So I want to show you the samples. She sent me, ooh, I asked her for this and she sent it to me. Thank you. The Black Rose Precious Face Oil, because I do plan on getting it in the future, but I wanted to try it out first. So she gave me 2 samples and another sample that is wrapped. So I have a feeling this is probably perfume. Oh yes, it is some brightening hydrating lotion, some brightening protective moisturizer, and some brightening cleansing foaming cream. Oh, thank you so much. And then she gave me the perfume, a sample of Isia Eau de Parfum. Oh wow, it smells so good, so exotic, so elegant. I think she sent me this before. Now I'm not sure if she sent me the daytime or the nighttime one, because they're both different. I think she sent me the nighttime. This is the daytime one. Oh, it smells so good. It's like, I don't know if it's jasmine, or I'm not exactly what the notes are because the package doesn't say, but that's what I get, like probably jasmine. Oh, it smells so good. It is made in France. I think everything they make, it's a French company. And the foundation is made in Italy and it's 12 months shelf life. And the lip balm is made in Italy. And the eye pencil long lasting eyeshadow is also made in Italy. So it seems like their skincare and perfumes are made in France, and then their makeup is done in Italy. I don't know. It's just very good. I'm so excited for this unboxing. I'm so happy that I got to share them with you. So let me know in the comments below if you want me to do a dedicated video or learn more about any of the products that you saw in this video, please let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like unboxings, please let me know as well, so I keep that in mind. Sometimes I don't do them because I might think it might be videos too long and boring for some people, but let me know if that's something that you like and I'll definitely consider it for my future videos. I want to thank you for coming by and spending these few minutes with me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.